Hi friends, so we're going to work on synonyms and antonyms today. So remember, synonym means the same and antonym means something different. So let's talk about, one second. Okay, so let's talk about some synonyms and antonyms. So the word cheerful could be a synonym to the word delighted because it means something similar, right? That somebody is happy. All right, we could say burning and scorching. Those two words are synonyms because they mean hot. Like they both mean the same thing. Wealthy and rich, those are also two more synonyms, right? Think about it. Your thinking of synonyms for certain words could help you in your narrative writing, make it a little more pizzazzed, okay? Now when I talk about antonyms, I'm talking about something different. So it would be things, instead of cheerful, I could say miserable, because those are two opposite emotions. I'm not happy, but I'm sad, right? So cheerful and miserable. Another one could be burning and freezing. My burning coffee is very different than my iced coffee, right? Another one could be wealthy and poor. Someone who has a lot of money and someone who has no money, right? Those are opposites. All right, good job, guys. Answer the questions below.